Hello, today we are looking at the Gemini Jets Westjet Saab 340B in 1/400 scale. And as you can see, it comes packaged in this nice little presentation box, which has an image on the front, identical to the plane found inside. We have the airline it flew with, WestJet, and its model, the Saab 340B, which is not the most common plane you see. Now on the back, we have another image of the plane. See, this is from the other side, as well as some information about what a Gemini jet actually is. Returning to the front, you can open it up, and you can see the plane inside, so you can have it on display like this if you chose to, so you don't actually have to take it out of the box. And then on the lid, we have a little history of the Saab 340B, as well as some specification information, such as length, height, and wingspan in feet and inches, and then some other information you may like to know, such as max takeoff weight, cruising speed, range, and things of that nature. Now let's open up the box and have a look at the model itself. As you can see, there it is, packaged nicely in between these two pieces of plastic. And there you have it, the Westjet Saab 340B in 1/400 scale. And as you can see, this is a turboprop plane based on the propellers here. You see, they do move slightly. There's also got the landing gear, it's very nice. Now this is a highly detailed die-cast metal model, so let's look over some of these details. So we look at the wings, you can see the flaps, the ailerons on them, of course the propellers and the landing gear. Moving on to the tail, you can see the rudders and elevators on the stabilizers. Very nice. You can see the WestJet livery that this plane is covered in. If you look really closely there, you can see a little Canadian flag. And right here, you see a registration of GJWJA, which is a little tough to see here, but underneath on the wing, you can see it's written here as well. We've got a little space for a stand here, as well as some nice detailed landing gear, and a little Gemini Jets logo. Turning around to the other side, you can see it's the same level of detail on this side as well, with the same details as well, like the propellers, the flaps, the ailerons, all of that along. Now this is the Saab 340B, which is from the Swedish manufacturer Saab. This is one of their turboprop civilian regional airliners from the 1990s, which this plane is not in production anymore. And you can see the WestJet livery I've already pointed out. You can see the WestJet written there, and the design on the tail. Now this plane doesn't actually fly with WestJet anymore. It now flies with Pacific Coastal Airlines, but when it did, it flew with WestJet Link as part of WestJet, which is the second largest airline in Canada. Now this model has a wingspan of about 5.4 centimeters, and it's about 4.9 centimeters long, and it's available now from modelcorner.co.uk.